Had no understanding of addiction, which was she didn't have choice. She didn't have control. She needed help. She asked for help. She wasn't able to get that help. It's never offered to her. It didn't exist at the time she was asking. Around the same time, a white nurse named Shirley Brown at the Medical University of South Carolina began drug testing her Black patient base. And she would secretly search pregnant Black women for evidence of cocaine use.
You want to just tell me how you obtain your drugs? Do you buy them? Do you trade it for sex?
What are these questions going at, first of all? I mean, who are you going to give these answers to?
These answers are for me.
She made that available to the police and helped the police come to the women's bedside and take them out of the beds, either while they were still pregnant or shortly after they had delivered while they were still bleeding from having delivered their babies.